There is another control structure in PHP which does something similar to if, else if, and else statement. It is called switch statement, and it is used to compare a variable of value to many different values and execute code based on that comparison. For example, let's conditionally execute some code based on the day of the week. First of all, let's remove this code, then make a variable day and set the value to Tuesday. Then let's start our switch statement passing in this variable like this, and inside curly braces we are going to use a case block statement. So what does case block do? It is actually just used to compare values with the variable value. Like here I'm going to give Monday and then colons and then pass some code. As you can see, if this value is equal to this value, then the code inside this code block or inside the case code block will run automatically. Now if you just want to exit from this case block, just press one backspace and enter another case block, and you can pass many case blocks as you like, and again echo, and don't forget to end a statement with a semicolon. Note that although we use curly braces for whole switch statement, we don't use curly braces for the code block inside case. We just use colons, and PHP will automatically indent your code if you are using a good code editor like VS Code. And then we are gonna pass rest of the days like this. With the day variable, you set the value to Tuesday. Let's see what happens when we run this code. So in the browser, you can see all the days are printed starting from the Tuesday. So we get Tuesday printed out, but we also get the rest of the days of the week. So how we can get rid from it? And one more thing that I want to tell you is that once a case has matched the value, it does not just execute that code block, but it will also execute other code blocks coming after that true code block. Like here, Tuesday is a true block. It is giving or returning true that these two values are matched. Day value and the case value is matched. So it is not gonna print this one, but this one also, those that are coming after Tuesday. It is also printing out these values. Now, or rather it will continue down to the end of the switch statement. You might actually want this behavior, which is why it does it like that. But if you don't, all we need to do is to add a break command at the end of each block. So we are going to add a break command like this. As you can see, we just added a break command in the case block of each of the block. Now if we try to run this code, we get Tuesday only like this. There is one more thing that we can also do is a default block. A default block is just similar to else block in if-else statement like this. Now if we change the value that does not match from any of these case blocks like so, and if we run this in browser, we get the default block running. This is because none of these values are getting true, or none of these conditions are actually getting true. That's why it is running the default block, which is equal to the if-else block. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section.